What if I told you that being broke isn't always about how much money you make? Some people earn over $100,000 a year and still live paycheck to paycheck. Meanwhile, others earning half that amount quietly build wealth year after year. The difference isn't luck, it isn't intelligence, and it isn't where they were born. It's their daily money habits. Today, we're uncovering 15 dangerous financial habits that silently drain your bank account and prevent you from becoming financially free. You may be doing several of these without even realizing it. Stay until the end, because habit number 1 is the biggest reason millions of Americans never build real wealth. Habit number 15, living without a budget. Imagine driving across the country with no map, no GPS, and no destination. That's exactly what managing money without a budget feels like. Many people think budgets are restrictive. In reality, budgets create freedom. A budget tells your money where to go before it disappears. Without one, every paycheck slowly vanishes into groceries, subscriptions, coffee runs, takeout, and impulse purchases. Then at the end of the month, you wonder, where did all my money go? Successful people don't guess, they plan. Habit number 14, buying things to impress other people. Expensive cars, luxury watches, designer clothes, the newest phone every year. Many people spend money they don't have to impress people who don't care. Real wealth is often invisible. The millionaire next door may drive a 10-year-old car while quietly investing thousands every month. Financial freedom comes from owning assets, not showing off liabilities. Habit number 13, using credit cards without a plan. Credit cards are powerful tools, but they're also dangerous when used carelessly. Buying things today with tomorrow's money creates a cycle that's difficult to escape. High-interest debt grows quietly. Every month you carry a balance, you're paying extra for things you bought weeks or even months ago. Instead of making banks richer, use credit responsibly, pay balances in full whenever possible, and let your credit card work for you, not against you. Habit number 12, ignoring small purchases. It's only $5. It's just one coffee. It's only one food delivery. Small expenses feel harmless because they're small individually, but repeated daily, weekly, and monthly, they become thousands of dollars every year. The richest people pay attention to the little leaks because they know tiny habits create massive financial results over time. Habit number 11, not having an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Cars break down, medical bills appear, jobs disappear. Without emergency savings, every unexpected expense becomes a financial disaster. Then people rely on credit cards or personal loans. One emergency becomes years of debt. A simple emergency fund can prevent a temporary problem from becoming a permanent financial burden. Habit number 10, waiting to start investing. Many people believe investing is only for the wealthy. That's one of the biggest financial myths. Time is more valuable than money. Someone investing a small amount early often ends up with far more wealth than someone investing much larger amounts later. Waiting costs more than most people realize. Habit number 9, lifestyle inflation. You get a raise. Instead of investing it, you buy a nicer apartment, a newer car, more expensive vacations, luxury subscriptions. Your income increases, but so do your expenses. Your lifestyle grows faster than your wealth. Rich people often keep their lifestyle stable while increasing investments. Habit number 8, never learning about money. Schools teach math, history, science, but many people graduate without understanding taxes, investing, credit, or retirement planning. Financial education doesn't stop after school. The more you understand money, the better every financial decision becomes. Knowledge compounds, just like investments. Habit number 7, shopping emotionally. Feeling stressed? Go shopping. Feeling bored? Buy something online. Feeling sad? Order food. Many purchases aren't based on need. They're based on emotion. Companies know this. Advertisements are designed to trigger feelings, not logic. Learning to pause before buying can save thousands over a lifetime. Habit number 6, depending on one income source, one paycheck. One employer, one source of money. That's risky. If that income disappears, everything changes overnight. Financially successful people often build multiple income streams through investing, side businesses, freelancing, royalties, or other long-term assets. More income sources create greater financial security. Habit number 5, avoiding financial conversations. Many people avoid checking their bank account, avoid opening bills, avoid discussing money with their spouse, avoid planning for retirement. Ignoring finances never makes them better. Confidence comes from facing your numbers honestly. The sooner you know where you stand, the sooner you can improve. Habit number 4, trying to get rich quickly. Everyone wants a shortcut. Crypto hype, lottery tickets, get-rich-quick schemes, guaranteed investments. Easy money rarely lasts. Real wealth is usually slow, patient, consistent, built over decades, not days. Habit number 3, comparing yourself to others. Social media creates financial pressure. Someone buys a luxury home, another posts expensive vacations, someone else buys a brand new sports car. But you rarely see the debt behind the lifestyle. Your financial journey isn't a competition. Focus on your own progress, not someone else's highlight reel. Habit number 2, never setting financial goals without goals. Money disappears. People who save intentionally usually have clear targets: buying a home, building investments, retiring early, paying off debt. Goals transform saving from a sacrifice into a mission. Habit number 1, paying yourself. Last, this is the habit keeping millions of people broke. Most people spend first, then save whatever remains. Usually, nothing remains. Wealthy people reverse the process. They save and invest first, then they spend what's left. It's a simple shift, but over years it creates a completely different financial future. Pay yourself first and let consistency do the rest. Conclusion: building wealth isn't about earning millions overnight. It's about making hundreds of smart financial decisions, day after day, year after year. If you can eliminate even a few of these habits, you'll already be ahead of millions of people who continue repeating the same financial mistakes. Remember, small habits create big results. The choices you make today could completely change your financial future. Now it's your turn. Which of these 15 money habits have you struggled with the most? Leave your answer in the comments. I read everyone, and your experience might help someone else. If you found this video valuable, hit the like button, subscribe to Money Blueprint, and turn on notifications for more practical strategies on saving money, investing wisely, and building long-term wealth. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.